Alright, so I wanted to share my execution for today. So when I got home, I was looking for a long setup. I do trade using the 1 second chart, but in reality, I am using my Topstep charting. So yeah, I have it on my phone, but at the time, I did my execution here. So as you guys can see, this is where it broke the structure, and so I was looking at this as my demand area. So this 2 candles right here. So I was looking for a long setup right here, and I entered right here. So I was waiting to really wait. I was waiting for this to break and seeing that there's a lot of green candles, and so I took my execution right here. And then where do I exit? So usually right now I usually exit after a second candle break. So right here, this candle didn't break, this one as well, this one hasn't, so I was waiting. I was thinking of exiting right here if it broke this green candle, but it pushed up higher until no second candle break, until right around, I think I just took some profit in this area, mainly because it broke this candles. So I was thinking that it's a good time to take profit. And then it broke this second candle, and so I went ahead and took out my 5 long trades. And then for my other trades, let's see, what time is this? This one I had a lot of drawdown. Where did I enter? I'm guessing right here. Same thing, I was looking at this area as my demand. So it actually took out this liquidity and perhaps using this as a more of the demand. And so I entered right here. So I had 10 lots, 10 micro contract on, and I had about how many? 84, 10 points of drawdown. But if I go right here, where is it? What time is this? 8:55. Yep, there it is. So right here, there's some consolidation, and I should have waited till it break this structure and then perhaps entered same way. Let's see. So there's the trade. I didn't exit, and I had a lot of. Oh, so I entered here, had a lot of drawdown, did some DCA right here. So I entered right here because it broke this structure. And then I wasn't really, I just wanted a quick scalp right here. And so it did went towards my direction, and then took some off right here since it hit the Bollinger, and then fully exited when it hit the middle. And then eventually there eventually the market went up, but at around this time I usually want to finish. And overall positive P&L. So I wanted to end my week green, and I will lock myself out. I did do my practice account in Topstep. Here's my practice account in Topstep. I mean, it's big, but it's practice, so I don't really want to count it. But it's the same setup. Let me see where my executions are. Okay, so I was using in this charting I was using a range, a tick chart. So I see some bullishness right here. Did I enter short? Okay, so I think it's better to look in this trade because I use this as my confluences and I trade based on my 1 second chart. Is this a 1 second chart? No, it's 100T. Okay, I don't know my charting. Where are my executions? $8.25. There it is. Okay, I saw some bullish trend right here, so I was looking at this. Why was I looking at that as my demand? I think I was looking at this area as my demand. So I did another DCA here. And then let's look at this a little closer. Do not like the contrast. Is that better? Okay, that's a little better. So enter 5 right here. I think I was going short. Yeah, I was going short. What was I thinking? Just do this. Yeah, so this going short broke this structure using this as a supply. I was watching it from here. I saw that it was slowing down, so I was looking for a short trade, and it went up. I entered here. No, I entered earlier. So I was looking for a short setup. I saw that it broke structure here, and then it had a a draw up to 2 or 3 candle, and then went down, decided to enter right here, and then there's 5, and then I entered some more over here. So how many is that? Okay, and then I started buying more. Oh, I exited here, and then I did go, since there was a break of structure here, I went long, and I didn't wait for a second, so I was thinking of a long setup, and I wrote it all the way here. And yeah, that's the gist of my strategy. I don't really have a I usually go back and forth in my direction. So if let's look at my stat. I started this practice maybe 3 days ago. Let's take a look. This is practice, but I want to see how I do with my motion during practice accounts. So I don't even remember this trade. So yeah, that's it for me today. I just wanted to record myself and how I trade. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching.